Hello YouTube friends, my name is Nanny Beryl. Today I'm going to read you a story. I wonder what the story will be about today. Let's see the book. The story today is called Where is Baby's Belly Button? Wanhtha gangaalbi thulburr. Where is Wanhtha? Gangaalbi is baby and thulburr is belly button. And the story goes like this. Where are baby's eyes? Wanhtha gangaalbi meal. Where is Wanhtha? Baby gangaalbi and eyes are meal. Where are baby's eyes? Wanhtha gangaalbi meal. Under a hat. Gaimuku nangomi kanawe. Gaimuku hat. Nangomi hair. Kanawe is under. So it's under a hat. Gaimuku nangomi kanawe. Where is baby's mouth? Wanhtha gangaalbi barkar. Mouth is barkar. Behind the cup, thungalawi courier. Behind is courier. Cup is thungala. Thungalawi courier. Behind the cup. Where is baby's belly button? Wanhtha gangaalbi thulburr. Belly button thulburr. Under her shirt. Marar nangomi kanawe. Marar is shirt. Under is kanawe. Hair is nangomi. Under her shirt. Marar nangomi kanawe. Where are baby's feet? Wanhtha gangaalbi tamal. Feet is tamal in Guugu Yimithirr. Behind the cat, putikan courier. Behind is courier. Cat is putikan. Behind the cat, putikan courier. Where are baby's hands? Wanhtha gangaalbi mangal. Under the water. Burai kanawe. Water is burai. Kanawe is under. Under the water. Burai kanawe. Where is baby? Wanhtha gangaalbi. There he is. Yarra nhingaalgal. There is Yarra. nhingaalgal. He is. There he is. Yarra nhingaalgal. Now that's the end of the story. So it's time for us to go now. So it's goodbye from me. Bye. Namagara.